Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. And now you are watching a 3-star hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location. Here's the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and reviews online that are given by guests to enjoy their stay. Its review rating is 8.2, which is the very good. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. Category 1. We talk about the amenities of this hotel, so you can see on the screen. Guests will be required to present photo ID at check-in. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Of the hotel is outstanding. Guests can enjoy the surroundings. Even online, enjoy your stay. Amenities and offers are the link provided in the description. For booking or more details, check description. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting. We